Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing Downloader, an Android app that helps you download files from the internet directly onto your device. I'll show you how to use it step by step. Downloader lets you grab various digital files, videos, music, documents, APKs, and more, by simply copying and pasting the file's URL or by using the built-in browser to navigate to websites and download content directly. To get started, install Downloader from Google Play. Once opened, you paste the link of the file you want or browse to a website using the app's browser, then tap Download. The app handles the process and stores the file on your device. After download, you can use Downloader's built-in file manager to find your files, organize them into folders, and if you downloaded an APK, you can install it directly from the app without leaving it. Downloader is useful if you want a simple way to get files from the web without switching apps and to manage your downloads easily. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want me to show how to download videos or music using Downloader.